Hello everyone, welcome back to another crochet tutorial. My name is Kay Estefania, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. So for today's video, we will be making this simple and easy to crochet crop top using only chain, single crochet and double crochet stitches. For this tutorial, any fingering weight yarn would work, a 4mm hook, a pair of scissors, tape measure, and 4 stitch markers. For our yarn, I suggest you use a yarn that has a stretch to it so that it will be easier for you to put the top on and off. This one here is super stretchy, that's why I chose to use this, but this is a lace yarn, so I will make use of it as double pull. To begin, make a slip knot. Then for our foundation chain, work a chain long enough to serve as the height of our top. Working with stretchy yarns are unlike the other yarns, so watch out for your tension. You need to make sure that these foundation chains are equal, not too loose or not too tight. For my size, I made a total of 48 chains. Then additional 2 chains, that will be our first double crochet. The next step is to make double crochet on the 4th chain from hook. Then double crochet next chain till last. And that will be our first row. To start our second row, chain 3. Then turn your work and make a back loop double crochet on the next stitch. To make a back loop double crochet, insert your hook only on the back loop and then finish your double crochet. Then again, make back loop double crochet on the next stitches across. Before finishing row 2, make sure that the count of stitches is the same with row 1, including the first 3 chains, to make a straight line edge. Continue adding more rows using the same pattern in row 2 until the rows are able to wrap around your body. Also make sure you end up with total rows multiple of 2. For my size, 60 rows is enough to wrap around my body, and in here I'm on row 59 and we will work our last row while attaching both sides. So to attach, chain 2, then insert your hook on the very first stitch on the other side. Then yarn over and pull through all loops. Then insert your hook on the front loop of the next stitch, yarn over, and on the other side, insert your hook only on the back loop, yarn over, pull through one loop, yarn over, pull through two loops, and yarn over, pull through all loops. Again, insert your hook on the front loop of the next stitch, yarn over, and again insert your hook on the back loop of the other side, yarn over, pull through one loop, yarn over, pull through two loops, and yarn over, pull through three loops. Repeat that pattern across. After attaching both sides, I hope yours is seamless like mine. And here I'm about to finish my last stitch. So now we will work in rounds on this side. To start, chain 1 and make 2 single crochets in each rows. To avoid making big holes, since we are using stretchy yarns, make 1 single crochet in each row and 1 single crochet in between each row. So finish off round 1 by slip stitching on the very first single crochet. For round 2, we will be making cross single crochet. Start with chain 1 and skip the next stitch, single crochet the next, and then go back to the skip stitch and make single crochet. Then again, skip the next stitch. Remember, this is where we made our first single crochet, so we skip this one and make single crochet on the next. Then again, go back to the stitch we just skipped and make single crochet. Repeat that pattern for the whole round. To finish round 2, we will just slip stitch on the chain 1 that we made on the beginning of this round. Start round 3 with chain 1, then skip the first stitch, single crochet on the next. Then go back to that stitch we just skipped and make single crochet. Repeat that again for 1 round. Using the same pattern, you can add more rounds depending on how lengthy you want it to be, but for my size, I made a total of 5 rounds. Finish your last round by slip stitching on the first chain 1 and then additional chain 1 to secure and cut the yarn. After that, it should look like this. This is the bottom part, and this line you see here is where we attach both sides. I hope yours is not too visible. And then we will repeat the same pattern on the upper part. You can attach your yarn anywhere you like. So for the straps, as you can see here, I've already attached these 4 stitch markers. This is where I will attach my straps. And to make a strap, cut a separate yarn at least 120 to 150 centimeter and then fold it in half. And to attach, insert your hook on the stitch with a stitch marker. Yarn over, chain 1, and then insert your hook on the stitch just next to it, and then yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through all loops. From there, work your chains for the strap. This yarn is too stretchy, but still make sure this is long enough to make a tie strap. Repeat the same pattern for the other 3 straps. For the ribbon or the center lace, make a chain at least 15 cm long. Using your tapestry needle, Insert this lace in between every 4 stitches in this center row. If you like this top and this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also if you actually made this top using this tutorial, you can tag me on your social media using my links on the description box below. May that be Facebook or IG. Also, you can check my other creations there. Thank you for watching.